I'm Inji Ensalada, a Bresmar student. What makes you who you are? In understanding the self, two great philosophers, Socrates and Plato, offer important insights into human identity and self-awareness. In understanding the self, Socrates believed that self-knowledge is the key to living a meaningful life. His famous statement, "Know thyself," encourages us to examine our thoughts, values, and actions. According to Socrates, understanding ourselves help us become wiser and make better decisions. On the other hand, Plato, a student of Socrates, viewed the self as composed of three parts, and these are reason, spirit, and appetite. He believed that a balanced self is achieved when reason guides our emotions and desires. This harmony leads to personal growth and a virtuous life. Therefore, through self-reflection and balance, Socrates and Plato teach us that understanding ourselves is essential for achieving wisdom, purposes, and fulfilling life.